Have you ever stared at a blank phone screen, realizing a terrifying truth? If you don't send the first message, nobody will talk to you for days. You scroll through your contacts, seeing dozens of friends, but not a single notification. You start wondering, am I annoying? Do they even like me? Welcome to the exhausting reality of being the initiator. You are always the one planning the hangouts, always checking in, always keeping the conversation alive. Psychologists call this an asymmetric relationship. You are pouring 90% of your energy into a glass that only gives 10% back. When they take 10 hours to reply, you convince yourself they are just busy. Life is crazy right now. But let me give you a brutal reality check. Nobody is too busy for someone they truly value. People make time for what they want. If they wanted to, they would. But they don't. You are terrified that if you stop trying, you will be completely forgotten. So you keep texting. You keep holding onto a rope that is burning your hand.
So why do they treat you like a backup option? It comes down to a harsh psychological rule, the law of scarcity. Humans are wired to value what is rare and completely ignore what is always available. By always being the first to text, always being ready to hang out at a moment's notice, you have made your presence cheap. You are a free subscription. They don't have to earn your attention, so they don't respect it. You have become their emotional safety net. They know you will always be there, waiting in the background, whenever they are bored. It is time to flip the script. Stop texting first. Stop crossing oceans for people who wouldn't jump a puddle for you. Pull your energy back. Invest that 90% into your own goals, your own mind, and your own life. Become the prize, not the participant.
When you stop being so available, two things will happen. The fake friends will quietly disappear, saving you years of wasted effort. And the real ones? They will notice your absence, and they will reach out. Stop waiting for a notification to validate your existence. If you are ready to take your power back, hit subscribe.